This is a cross between a flatbread and a pizza, and it's super easy to make. You're going to start with your dough, and you're going to add in 320 milliliters of water, 8 grams of sugar, and about 7 grams of yeast. Mix it all up, and let's admire this AMR sound. Once your yeast mixture has frothed up, you are going to add in 400 grams of all-purpose flour. Then you're going to add in about 7 grams of salt. And then this next part is optional, but I've been working on a sourdough starter, so I decided to add in 25 grams of the starter to the dough. Then you're going to combine everything with your hands and make sure there are no flour lumps. And then you're going to let this rest for about an hour or until it's about doubled in size. Next, flour a work surface and then add your dough. And then you're going to start working the dough with your hands to make it a more smooth and cohesive dough ball. And this dough is very sticky, so just be patient. Once the dough has started coming together, you're going to start working the dough with a bench scraper. This will help smooth it out even more. Next, cut your dough in half, and then you're going to take your second half and just start working it into a smaller ball, and you're going to use your bench scraper again for this. Next, flatten out your dough, and then add it on top of a turned over baking tray that has been covered in semolina. This will make sure that the dough won't stick while it's cooking in the oven. Then you're going to flatten out your dough, and then I'm adding San Marzano tomatoes to the top. Next, I'm adding in some salt and some extra virgin olive oil, but you can add in whatever toppings you want. Then you're going to cook this in a 500-degree oven for about 7 minutes, and then when it's done, put it back onto your work surface and cut it whichever way you'd like. The recipe for this will be in the description, and if you like what you see, like and follow for more.